Hello everybody, welcome back to another Midjourney version 5 tutorial. In this one, I'm going to show you how to take an image like this one. This is a picture of a lady I found on Pexels, I believe, and then I turned it into art. I used her image as a prompt, a reusable prompt in the generation process. So you can create characters out of pictures and out of art. All right, how did I do it? And here's just some examples. They're absolutely crazy how good this is. Like, look at this. Like, I mean, you saw the original image. Look at this. This is unbelievable. Anyways, let me show you how to do it. First step, go to your Finder or your Explorer and grab the image. In this case, I've got it right here. So I'm going to go right down to the bottom here, and I'm just going to go ahead and drag and drop it into Discord. Click right on there and bang, hit enter, up it goes. Now it's been uploaded to the Discord server. I'm just going to right click on the image and I'm going to copy that link, and that's important. I'm going to need that later. Now the next step is it's just standard prompt engineering, prompting as usual, /imagine. Then you want to describe what you want it to look like. So for this one, I'm going to just go lady reading a book. Oops, I'll go quickly through this. You don't need to waste too much time on this. DOF, which means depth of field, 35mm lens, natural lighting, I don't know. Let's go uplight, natural features, and then I'm gonna go photo realistic. And then there we go. That's my prompt, okay? Now, before I hit enter, the next step is I'm gonna hit the space bar, and then I'm gonna go Command V or Control V. So we're copying in that link from earlier. So you'll see here that we've got the description, so we've got the prompt, and then we've hit spacebar, we've got the image. Now I'm gonna hit spacebar again, and I'm gonna go --IW, and this means basically image weight. So how much weight do I wanna give the original image that I uploaded? The standard, I believe, is 1, although in the alpha it might be 0.5. But the range goes from 0.5, which is the lowest weight, to 2.0, which is the highest weight. In this case, I want the art to look as much like the picture as possible, so it's --IW space 2.0. Then when you hit enter, it's going to go ahead and go, okay, we're going to have a lady reading a book with all this stuff here, based off of this image here, image weight 2.0 version 5. And I assume that your settings are at version 5. If they're not, just go to settings like this, hit enter, and then when you open it up, it'll say version 5, version 4. You'll see here that I'm on version 5. Anyways, I'm going to come back when this is done, and I'll show you what we got. All right, welcome back. So here are the 4 that it came up with. Let's again look at the original image. This is the original shot. Now we'll click on this one here. And then, I mean, look at number 3, especially number 3 and 1. Like 1 and 3, I would, of course, click upscale 1, and then I would upscale 3. And then, I mean, just look at that. This is the generated image. And then look at the original image. This is unbelievable. Midjourney version 5 is incredible. Thanks for watching.